You ever finish a full 8-hour day and think, wait, what did I actually get done? Well, what if I told you that you're not the problem, your workflow is? And with just 3 AI tools, you can automate 70% of your boring tasks and free up your brain for actual creativity, strategy, and life. These tools are already being used by top creators, startup founders, and smart professionals to replace meetings, write emails, build slides, and even summarize 100-page documents in seconds. If you're still doing everything manually in 2025, you're falling behind, but not after this video. Workflow automation means letting software handle repetitive tasks for you. That includes writing, scheduling, emailing, organizing files, managing projects, you name it. The goal isn't just speed, it's mental clarity. When AI handles the grunt work, your brain can do what it does best: think, create, lead. Let's start with the OG, ChatGPT with GPT-4 Turbo. This isn't just a chatbot anymore. It's a full-blown thinking machine that can write your reports, plan your week, code your app, and even tutor you in physics. You can upload files, PDFs, spreadsheets, images, and get insights in seconds. Content creation, planning a YouTube video, ChatGPT can brainstorm titles, write your script, even generate your description in tags. Business, running a business, it'll draft contracts, write cold emails, build customer personas, and even write product descriptions. Data and code. Need to clean up a spreadsheet or write some code? It'll do that too, and explain the code line by line. Pro tip: use custom GPTs for specialized needs. Think legal advisor, GPT, fitness coach, GPT, finance strategist, GPT. It's like having a full team in your pocket. Next, Notion AI. If ChatGPT is your assistant, Notion is your brain's external hard drive, on steroids. Notion AI doesn't just organize your notes, it actually thinks with you. It summarizes meetings, generates to-do lists, and helps you plan and write faster. Project planning. Map out a project, write a timeline, and let Notion fill in the gaps with action steps. Writing and research. It can pull key points from huge text blocks and turn them into clear, organized docs you can actually use. Another pro tip: templates plus AI equals deadly combo. You can use templates to create dashboards for content, clients, or coursework, and have AI maintain them. If you're thinking, this all sounds cool, but I work in a corporate environment, good, because this next one is built for you, and it might be hiding in your toolbar right now. Microsoft Copilot is what happens when AI moves inside your actual workflow tools. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Teams. Need to build a PowerPoint for a report? Copilot does that. Need a complex Excel formula explained and fixed? Copilot's got you. Need to write 20 personalized client emails? Done, in seconds. Productivity. Write faster in Word. Format smarter in Excel. Present better in PowerPoint. You'll save hours. Communication. It can summarize long threads in Teams or Outlook and reply in the right tone and context. It's like your own smart secretary. Much needed pro tip. This is baked into Microsoft 365. You may already have it. Most people just don't know how to use it yet. So please comment if you want to know your way around it. I will be more than happy to show you how to use it. Here's the real power. Combine all 3. Let's say you're planning a product launch. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm the idea and write the copy. Use Notion AI to organize tasks, track progress, and keep your team aligned. Use Microsoft Copilot to build the proposal, draft the investor deck, and send follow-up emails. That's not just productivity, that's superhuman efficiency. The future of work isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. And these tools, they're not optional anymore, they're essential. So here's the question. Are you going to keep grinding with 2010 tools? Or are you ready to evolve your workflow and finally get ahead? Hit like if you're ready to stop working like a robot and start using one. Subscribe for more no-fluff guides on AI tools that actually move the needle. In the next one, I'll show you how to set up a complete AI-powered productivity system that runs your entire week automatically. See you there.